It's a big brush pile that I accumulated. While it's burning, there's a bird trying to make a nest. See, the bonfire is burning. The bird is right there trying to make a nest. You see? He's hiding right there. Nature, I should. Nature is funny. Everything tries to find something. Yeah, here it goes. I literally trying to make a nest on top of burning pile that I just put a day before. It's still smoldering. Still smoldering. Hope the bird doesn't make a nest here. So it'll be gone in a few days. All this will turn into ashes. Oh, nature, I never know what you're gonna find.